Life is a journey, we are told. A journey I believe would be made much harder without cars. For most of us, the humble car has been forever present through many of our crucial phases in life. Lurking loyally in the background, unknowingly imprinting themselves into our psyche, creating that unwavering passion and connection. Growing up in a working class family, like many of you, my taste and loyalties were very much moulded by the common man's car, the affordable gems, basically the family cars that we grew up with. Now, as I accelerate into my 50s, nostalgia fueling me, I have found a new excuse to feed my passion, hence the birth of this channel, Flip My Ride, in 2019. Since its inception, the channel has evolved into more than just buying and selling. FMR has become about finding neglected, overlooked nuggets on the brink and breathing new life into them, making them shine as they deserve, desirable once again, opening the hearts and the minds of the new owners who are looking to feed their nostalgic addictions. So yeah, I do flip cars, but ultimately it is about connecting with others, the friendships found, the learning, having a go, having fun, and telling the stories of the cars and their transformation under my custodianship.
I'm driving your plug right now. Thanks a lot for everything. And yeah, I'll be sending you some nice shots very soon.
What is that?
That'd be fucking right, wouldn't it?